Do you know a craft beer lover? If so, we have the perfect gift. Around the World in 80 Beers Scratch-Off Beer Cap Map. It makes it easy and fun to track your domestic and imported craft beer tastings. It's simple. Just enjoy a unique craft beer from anywhere in the world. Attach the beer cap, then scratch off the lottery-type foil over the place the beer was brewed. US, UK, Germany, Belgium, Japan, Australia, Canada, wherever. All 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii, are outlined individually for your U.S. beer tracking. This fantastic beer lovers poster holds up to 80 caps and includes 80 glue pads to attach each cap. Want to host an awesome craft beer party? Ask invitees to bring a mixed six-pack of the most interesting beers they can find and see how far around the world you get. They'll be talking about your party for years. In this example, we've just enjoyed an incredible night swim porter from Coppertail Brewing Company in Tampa, Florida. We scratch off the foil over Florida, stick the cap on the map, gloat for a moment, and we're ready for our next beer adventure. Makes an incredible gift for birthdays, Father's Day, graduation, Christmas, or housewarming. It comes gift-ready in a decorative map tube. This Around the World in 80 Beers map is so unique that it's been featured on ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and other major broadcast media around the world. This large, colorful map is perfect for home, man cave, brew pubs, or dorm rooms if you're over 21. Untapped app users and Beer of the Month subscribers love this map. We're so sure you'll love this map that we offer a 100% no questions asked satisfaction guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Order today from Amazon. Use coupon code BEERMAPSALE to get 20% off when you purchase today on Amazon.com. Again, coupon code BEERMAPSALE for 20% off at Amazon checkout. This limited edition will run out, so order right now.